In this video, I will talk about Shopify versus Ecwid. Maybe asking yourself which platform is the best for dropshipping versus Shopify and also versus Ecwid, guys. Okay, so as you can see that I'm going to show you some of the features that this platform offers, but first of all, let me show you some of the features that Shopify offers, guys. Okay. Remember, for both of these platforms, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can get started for free using this platform. So let me show you some of the features that Shopify offers. As you can see that I'm inside the members area of Shopify. So what you can do when you want to add your own product to your dropshipping store, what you can do here with Shopify, you can just go here to products, and then under products, what you can do here, you can just click here to add a product. What I like about Shopify is that it has more features than compared to Ecwid. So let me show you some of the features that comes with Shopify that Ecwid does not offer. So you can just click here in a title. This is where Shopify allows you to write a title of your product that you want to sell in your drop shipping store on Shopify. So what you can do here, I'm just gonna put the title of my product, so this is the title of my product. Under here you can just click here to generate text. So what I like about this feature is that Shopify, it has this amazing tool that can write any product description that you want to sell in your Shopify store. So here you have to put some keywords that you want this AI tool to write the content about. I'm just gonna put these keywords so that this AI tool will write the content about this. I'm just gonna choose the tone of voice. So the tone of voice is gonna be suffocated, or let me just put persuasive. I'm just gonna click here to generate. So as you can see, in just a few seconds, this AI tool is done writing the product description of my product that I want to sell on Shopify. I'm just gonna click here to add. You can also use this AI tool to write more content. I'm just gonna click here to generate again. I'm just gonna put it again, t-shirt for men. I'm just gonna choose the tone of voice. So the tone of voice, now I'm gonna leave it and expect, and as I'm gonna click here to generate. Let's give it some time. As you can see, this is the tool, this is the content that has been written by this AI tool in just a few seconds. If you don't like this content, you can just click here to generate. It's gonna regenerate the content for you automatically. I'm just gonna keep this. As you can see that now the product description of our product that you want to sell, it is done in just a few seconds. So what you can do, you can just click here to upload an image. This is where you can able to upload an image, the image of the product that you want to sell on your Shopify store. But for now, I'm not going to show you that because you know how to upload an image. For here, you can just put the prices, the price that you're willing to sell the product. Okay, I'm just going to put the price here, but keep in mind this is only in my currency, this is in that currency, but you can just put any currency that you want on your Shopify store. I'm just going to put the comparing price here, and also the cost per item, like how much is costing me to purchase that product. I'm just going to put this one, and then it's gonna be showing me the profit that I'll be making and also the margins of my product. Okay, and also what you can do here, what I like about this feature, you can just put the weight of the product. You can also add this search engine optimization. What I like about this search engine optimization, this feature is not available on Ecwid. It's only available on Shopify, because with this feature it allows you to rank your store in Google. So in Google search, so that you can get free traffic on Google. If I could go to Google right now and search here buy t-shirts for men, you'll see some of the stores that are ranking like this one. So these are the paid stores that they are ranking here. But let me show you how to get free traffic like these stores. You can see these stores, these are getting free traffic on Google. So you can able to get free traffic on Google here, so you can able to get more sales on a Shopify store. I highly recommend that, guys. You have to do some edits here so the store will rank better in the search engine. It is also easy to use this AI writing tool from Shopify, so the tool is gonna rank here, guys. Okay, and also you can just click here to choose the product category of your product that you are selling. You can also choose that. Okay, now let's go back to Ecwid. So as you can see here with Ecwid, although it is good, it does not have so many features compared to Shopify. Yes, you can able to add your own new store here, but the features that comes here with Ecwid, they are not perfect, they are not good compared to Shopify, guys. Okay, so that's the thing that you have to keep in mind. So you can just click here and learn more on how to sell here. It's gonna be showing you on like the marketplace, all of those stuff, on how to sell how to list your products here on Shopify, so on Ecwid. Although that it is easy to use, but it's not the best or good compared to Shopify, guys. Okay, let me show you some of the other features that comes with Shopify. So if you go here to online store, what I like about online store on Shopify is that Shopify is gonna be giving you some of the done for you themes that you can just upload them or add them straight to your store, like these themes. Let me show you some of these themes. If I click here to view these themes, guys, okay, so these are the free themes that Shopify is going to give you. If you say that you want to sell products based on clothing, maybe you want to sell products based on caps or on t-shirts, you can just take an advantage of all of these products. Look at this one, look at these caps. Okay, you can just change the logos here. You can just put the prices that you want to sell these caps. You can also change the colors. You can also change the currency, the name of these caps. You can change all of those things. You can also put your own logos here on these t-shirts. You can also change the colors. You can also change the name, the title. You can also change the pricing, the currency, all of those things. If you like this theme, you can just click here to edit. It's going to be added straight on your Shopify store. But when you go back to Ecwid, they don't give you done for you themes compared to Shopify. Okay, so in my opinion, Shopify, it is winning compared to Ecwid. And also it is not easy to use Ecwid, because you must have an experience in order to use Ecwid. Compared to Shopify, it is very easy. It is beginner friendly, guys. Okay, now let me show you some of the pricing plans between these two platforms. When you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, when you compare to Shopify, it's going to take you to this page. This is where you can get started for free using Shopify, guys. Okay, and also if you scroll down, the plan that I recommend for you guys that you can able to get started is the basic plan, meaning that per month this plan, if you want to pay on a monthly basis, it's gonna just be only costing you for $25 per month just to use this plan. So I highly recommend this plan. It's gonna be $25 per month, but if you wanna pay on a yearly basis, you can save up to 25%. I mean that the price now is gonna be $19. What I like about this plan is that you can add multiple products. There are no limit on the amount of products that you can add on a Shopify store. When you go to Ecwid, if you click here to pricing, and as well, like about Ecwid is that, okay, they offer this free trial that you can able to use Ecwid for free. If I go here to on a monthly basis, the basic plan here, this is the venture plan. You can have $19 per month, as you can see that, but you are limited to have 100 products on your store. For the business one is gonna be $40 per month. You are limited. You can sell $25,000, 2,500 products. But if you want to get unlimited products, like it's gonna be costing you $100 per month. Okay, but when you look at this plan compared to Shopify, for Shopify, guys, okay, you're gonna have unlimited products that you can sell. Just for the basic plan, that's gonna be costing you $19, guys. Okay, that's gonna be costing you only for $25 per month. But on Ecwid, in order to have unlimited products on your store, you have to upgrade to unlimited. That's gonna be costing $100 per month. So you can see the difference here that Shopify, in my own opinion, this is the best platform. If you want to get access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to get started for free using Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, and may God bless you sharp.